using the Coastal Scents Creative Me palette. There is a link in the description box to this palette. I think it might be sold out right now. It's only like 12 bucks. It's the Coastal Scents Creative Me palette. I don't know if they have more than one, but it says #1 on it. So I'm going to take the orange color, the lighter orange color, and I'm going to use the Sigma E38 blending brush, and I'm going to apply that just above my crease. And then I'm going to take the red color and I'm going to apply that into my crease, but it comes out a little bit more of a pink color, I guess. And then I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, which I haven't used in forever, and I'm just going to apply that just so on my eyelids so the colors become more vibrant. And then I'm going to kind of mix the two yellow shades together just because they're so similar that they don't really make a difference if I use them separately. So I mixed them together and I put that on the inner corner and like the first part of my eye, and then I'm going to take the darker orange matte shadow, which is a really pretty color actually. I really love it. I'm going to apply that next, and I'm just going to make sure to blend as I go. And then I'm going to take the pink color and with the flat brush and just add that to my next color. And again, I'm just blending the eyeshadows in together so there's no like start and stop. And then I'm going to apply the lighter purple. And by the way, this palette is almost an exact dupe. It's a really, really good dupe for the Sugar Pill Pro palette. So then I took an E38 blending brush again from Sigma, and I just kind of blended the top to make sure all of it is blended. And then I took the dark purple, the darkest color purple from that palette, and added it to the outer corner of my eye. And then I did basically the same thing for my lower lash line. I applied the Jumbo Pencil in Milk just to make it more vibrant, and then I added I guess it's kind of like the lighter green from the palette, and then I added it to the inner corner, and then the other green, which these two greens are very similar, again, don't look any different. And then I added the light blue and then the dark blue to the outer corner. And then I added blue to my waterline, and I'm using the Smashbox pencil, but a cheaper alternative is the new Morphe gel liner that just came out. They're almost identical in color. And then I'm going to take one of my favorite liners, which is from Sigma, and I'm just going to add a thin line. I'm not going to wing it out or anything. And then to warm up my face, I'm going to use the Makeup Geek Fair Skin Bronzer, which I'm hitting pan on, and I'm very sad about. I can't remember the last time that I actually hit pan on a bronzer. I really like this one. And this brush is from Benefit. For blush, I'm going to use Sigma's Cheeky blush. I wanted something really soft, especially with all this color on my eyes. I didn't want something too dramatic. And then for highlight, I'm going to use the Pixi Beauty Aspen. I'm not sure what this is called exactly, but I'll list it in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. For lip liner, I use Jouer's Nude Lip Liner, and I'm just realizing like the next products are not affordable, so don't come for me. I'm sorry, my eyes were affordable. And then for lips, I used Tarte's Park Avenue Princess liquid lipstick. And then for gloss, I used Dose of Colors Honey I'm Home.